More time, sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3.
OMG!
Best in evening ha.
Yes, thank you so much, Chinibesh Adrian.
Pinaghandaan mo talaga habang nilalakad ka ni Pao ha?
Yes, of course, escort ko nga pala. Mapal!
Talaga kayo ha? Dinidini nyo talaga kami ha? O, magbalik tayo sa inyo. Dahil you had the chance earlier to send messages for King Pao written on the postcards. Kaya naman, ipasok na natin ang mahiwagang mailbox. Asa na yung mahiwagang mailbox na yan? Diyan sa mailbox na yan, pipili ang napaka-dashing na si Pao at napaka-elegant na si Kim. Ayan. At dito babasahin nila yung message. Ang mapipili, whoever you are, will be given the chance na makausap ang Kim Pao. Naku, you're so lucky. Kaya,
Ito tayong lahat ngayong gabi.
ay, ang dami.
Amazing.
Diyos ko! Gusto niyo bang mabasa ang message niyo? Gusto niyo bang mabasa ang messages niyo?
Yes!
O, ayan. Kaya ngayon, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Sino ang unang bumulat?
Me.
Okay, go, Kim.
Okay, first message is from Armilet and Julie, mother and daughter. Oh, nilagay niya po talaga, mother and daughter. Happy Mother's Day, May 10.
So habang hinahanap, pwede na siguro natin basahin ang
Yes,
message.
Armilet and Julie.
Raise your hands.
Nananawagan po kami, Arnel at Julie.
Oh, iba na lang, iba.
Wala.
Nag-CR.
So wala, let's move on.
Okay.
Kasi para hindi sayang.
Next is Candice. Ay.
Candice.
Ang message niya,
Ayun.
Kim is here to inspire. Magkakapaulo din ako with my own ang Becky crew. Super na talaga. Gusto niya yung live ko.
Gusto niya na kunin yung role mo.
Super na talaga. Magkakapaulo ka din.
Ay,
Asa na siya?
nandun sa dulo.
Ayan. My favorite Kim Pao moment is wala pa Kim Pao, nag-asap siya si Kim. Ay, bad words. Us, Gerald, Zia, Paulo, past, present, future.
Naku, bakit mabibig? Sinabi mo ba yun?
Alam mo, Candice, pahuway na lang sa...
Candice, ha?
Ay, ayan na siya!
Marami kang sasagutin sa
Ano
akin.
siya, nag-all era siya. Eras Tour by Taylor Swift.
Alam mo, di ba nga babagitan natin, past is past. Ang importante ay ang...
Pero isa siyang Chinita princess. I love it. Just like me. Kamukha ko ba siya? Ay, ito na hindi ka mag-hero. Sometimes kumidyan din.
Tanungin natin siya. Ano pangalan niya ulit?
Candice.
Okay po.
Hindi, Candice, taga saan?
Yes, ako, taga Mississauga, San Juan City sa Pilipinas.
Anong trabaho?
Ano, writer sa UX design, nagtitrain ng AI.
Wow! Training AI pa.
Yeah.
O, bakit? Ready ka na ba sa tanong? Ready ka na ba sa tanong para sa kanila?
Yes. Pag nagkikita tayo, laging may black.
Pag nagkikita kayo,
Laging may black.
oh, reaction, ang asa na naman yung ni-rehearse natin. Again, ulitin mo tayo.
Sige po. Pag nagkikita tayo, laging may...
Ikaw muna.
Kikita tayo, laging may energy.
Thank you. Pag nagkikita tayo, laging may...
Kiss na naman.
Kiss na naman. Pero pag nagbibisa-besa naman kami, pag nagkikita kami, yung hello, wala, super. Yes. Yun know? Yes. Laging may smile. Yung pag nakikita ko si Pao. Yes!
Diyos ko, pag nagkikita sila, Diyos ko, ako ang kinikilig. Oh, eto na. Maraming salamat, Inday. Si Inday.
Sige po.
Okay.
Thank you, Candice. Soon you'll have your Becky crew. And
Yeah.
Paolo too. Wow.
Okay, Pao?
This letter is from Jonalyn Alcantara.
Ay, ayun siya, Jonalyn.
Jonalyn Alcantara.
Andito
She
dog.
said, tonight means a lot. A precious moment. My favorite Kim Pao moment is the excitement I feel whenever I hear a new Kim Pao project.
Wow!
Wow! The cutest ever!
Ano nga ulit?
Tsaka yung hobby niya, the cutest ever din, was supportive.
Yeah, since BBB.
Since premiere, oh my God, 20 years ago.
Pero she's still young, Kim, ha?
Yeah, you look so young.
What's her name again?
Jonathan.
Speaking of, you're always excited for new. Are you excited for the new one that's coming
Oh
out?
Always Lupino! I'll watch it.
Thank you.
I'll watch everything.
Oh, thank you.
Me and my husband watched the movie.
Did you force him to watch the movie?
Oh yeah, talaga naman.
What-
Batak na batak talaga.
What's her name?
Rocky.
Rocky? Do you watch their teleserye?
Yeah. Do you have a choice?
Okay. Wow, Kim, ilalagay ko to sa spot. So if you're watching their teleserye, what was the last scene?
The last thing of...
The last scene that
Animal
the last scene that you watched? Only the husband.
The movie. No, the movie. I love what make it disappear. I saw that and then.
Amazing. Oh, the cutest.
Thank you for the both of you. So you may now get the chance to ask the question.
Okay, my question is, kung may wish ako sa'yo, yun ay...
Very good, very good.
Kung may wish ako sa'yo since mag-birthday ka na, ang wish ko sa'yo is endless happiness. Because you deserve it. Hindi mo man pinapakita na super happy ka talaga. Pero nararamdaman naman natin. Endless happiness and good health.
Pao?
My wish for you is a stress-free. Hope you get to be stress-free in the next couple of months and years.
Ay! Laig ko ba yung itlog na ano ba yung itlog na binibenta sa grocery, yung raised in a organic, yung raised in a stress-free environment.
Yes!
Because grocery, ako gusto ko na lang maging itlog.
Yun ang ibig niya sabihin. Yung nabibili sa Costco.
Di ba may sinulat na?
Yes. Cage-free.
Cage-free,
Yes.
work in a stress-free environment.
Very true.
Minsan masarap na maging itlog na.
Pero alam mo, babalikan ko lang din yung sinabi ni Pao. Di ba sabi mo, yung ano, kasi palagi kayong blooming pag nakikita kayo. Palagi kang blooming.
Kasi siya yung nag-absorb ng stress ko. Madaldal ko eh. So, yung stress, pwede ako magkwento. Sabi niya, sige, magkwento ka lang. Ganyan siya. So, thank you so
Pero
much.
pasalamatan naman natin siya.
Thank you.
And Jonalyn, thank you very much. And to your
I love you
hobby.
both.
All right,
Love you
teddy
too.
bear. Okay, last.
Gusto mo yun yung itlog? Parang din ako, naalala ko. So, maging itlog minsan. Paano maging ikaw?
Mahilig pa naman din ako sa mga itlog.
Or may bata, oh.
Hindi, kasi ang kinain natin sa breakfast kanina,
Ano?
mga scramble. So,
That's the egg you mean.
yeah.
Okay. Next is from Jean Gojo. Gajo.
Ito.
Ayan siya. The cutest. Oh.
Tinawag ka lang po
Pero
wala
kung
kanina.
lagi pa talaga to si Ate Jean. From where?
Tagasaan daw, sagot.
At habang pinupuntahan,
Okay.
ang message niya ay, tonight means a lot. I'm an avid fan of Kim Chu since PBB days. Oh, na-cry na talaga. Oh.
Ang reaction ni Pao.
I've been manifesting this day. I hope and pray Paolo is the one.
Binigyan
Alam mo, mag-try talaga ako. Ikaw mga baksa. Wala.
I hope and pray Paolo is the one for you.
Ikaw talaga ate. Inubinan ko yan sa Semana Santa.
Usay mo pangalan?
G.
Genie. Oh, ang apelido niya in a bottle. Okay, Genie. Ay, ang ganda ni Inday Genie, oh. Yes, taga saan ka na eh?
Toronto.
Sa atin.
Ilocos Norte.
Ilocana. Ilocana.
Malayo.
Oo, ang damianan. Parang hindi ko rin naintindihan. Okay. Your lucky chance to ask the question for Kim Pao.
Hindi ko man sabihin palagi, gusto ko malaman mo na
Man. Ulitin nga. One more time.
hindi ko man sabihin palagi, gusto ko malaman mo na
Okay na, Idol.
Ikaw muna. Kaya na ba ako sumasagot?
Hindi ko man sabihin palagi. Gusto ko malaman mo na
Ayaw niya daw.
nahangad ko maging maligaya ka pala.
Thank you, happy birthday. Hindi ko man, ano yun? Masabi palagi, pero gusto kong sabihin na sure na ano ba, thank you. Hindi naman ako lagi nag-thank you sa kanya, but thank you.
Saan?
Ano yun na lang?
No. Sagutin mo yung tanong niya.
Wala talaga sunod sa question number 4.
Wala na. Ang sabi mo, thank you.
Yes.
Ang sagot ni Pao, saan?
Wala.
Ulitin natin.
Sa next tour.
Ulitin natin ha. Kayo yung saan ha. Thank you.
Saan?
For this. Yeah. For the Kimpa world, of course. And many more. Yun na yun. Tapos, yeah, thank you. Are you happy?
Maliit na bagay.
Alam,
English, the small things.
alam niyo po, kung alam niyo lang kung gaano kinikilig din si Kim.
Okay, ulit na natin ito. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Gusto niyo ba bang ituloy ang kiligan?
Yes!
Ready na ba? Okay, ituloy na natin to. It's time to sing your heart out, singing some of their most memorable songs as Kim Pao loved him throughout the years. Go Kim and Pao, kantahan na!
Yes,
I'm sure you guys know this song.
yes, yes.
Santo! Aking sinta, ano meron sa'yo?
Thank you so much!
Wala sila, mawawala na sila ng boses sa trabaho ko.
Pero alam nyo, love na love nila ginagawa yun para sa inyo.
Yeah! Grabe, thank you so much! The energy, the vibe is so giving!
Lalo na nung sinabi ko na ang Redwood City nakakaloka ang energy, Anaheim nakakaloka, Edmonton nakakaloka, Toronto! Tuloy ang sorpresa ng mga Toronto sa inyo. Dahil mahal na mahal kayo ng Toronto, syempre, meron din tayong Team Toronto! Labas! Team Toronto! Okay.
Wow! All state pala ito! Complete!
Hindi ko na, boy. Hindi ako sa'yo, wala ka naman sa sarili mo. Hi, little girls. Hi, little angels. O, dito kayo. Konting baka. Konting abante naman. Hi, ito na. Halika kayo dito. Dito kayo sa akin. Huwag kayong tingin na tingin kung saan. Okay. Miss Sharon. Oh, Cindy. Asan ang kandila? Oh, Sharon, go ahead, please. Your message for Kim and Pao.
Hi, Kim Pao.
Closer.
Okay. From Toronto and from all over the world, gusto namin kayong batiin on your special milestone. So we're prepared something for you. Watch this.
Oh, sandali. Don't play it yet. Okay, Toronto, yung ni-rehearse natin. Ipakita nyo sa ating mga birthday celebrants. Okay, kaya. Tumayo kayo. Ngayon, kasama kayo sa ating saya. Okay, Sharon, again.
Hi, Kim Pao. So we
Sabi-
prepared something for you.
Kasi, eto po, this is record-breaking. You know why I said record-breaking? Because for everyone's information, Kim Pao is the first ever, na tandem, love team, or nagmamahalan talaga. Eto walang biro. They are the very first na nagkaroon ng world tour. The very first na talagang, kasi normally ang mga tandem, love team, mga
Dira
lalabas
tangduhan.
na sila sa
Dira
show para
paigo ra tangduhan.
ng movie, tama? Never in history that a love team, a couple, or nagmamahalan.
Yung presentation namin. Kasi hindi na pinano. Maganda pa naman yung presentation namin. Ha? Technical tour ba?
Diba? Nakakaloka? Deserve natin ng isang malakas na yawan at palakpakan! At dahil dyan, ito na talaga ang ano naman ang sasabihin niyo sa kanila.
Oh yes, Toronto! Thank you very much! Yes, sabi nga niyo po kay, hindi namin na-imagine ni Pao na mag-head kami ng show sa ibang bansa, sa US, sa Canada, and it's all because of all the Kim Pao love and support. Kaya thank you very much! Hindi naman talaga kami concert king and queen, pero we just wanna give you the best experience. And
Ba, yan, di tayo makakita.
Happy faces.
Di kami po makakita.
Dito ngayon.
Nasarapan niya kayo.
Enjoy kayo. It is-
Sorry po, hindi na kami makakita po. Balik na po kayo sa upuan niyo. Nasarapan kami eh.
Deserve to be happy kahit sandali lang. And also, with everything that's happening sa pamilya, oh my gosh, ang hirap pero we still stick to our...
Sorry po, di na kami makakita
our
po.
saying na in the service of the Filipino, we all want you. We all want you to be happy. And thank you so much for supporting all the ABS-CBN shows and for being a loyal kapamilya. And kami ni Pao, represented din kami ng kapamilya. Kaya thank you so
Nakunan mo
much for
ako.
loving all our teleseries, all our movies,
I wanna hug, Pao.
mga palabas
Okay.
namin, and even this tour, meet and greet, nakita namin kayong lahat dito sa Canada. Maraming salamat talaga. This is all because of you. Kaya kami nagkaroon ng world tour. Kaya maraming
okay.
salamat. Sa lahat ng mga nagpunta dito ngayon on a Sunday afternoon, thank you very much. We appreciate each and everyone na present ngayon para magpakita ng love and support sa amin.
Technical
Thank you.
chorba.
And also
Hindi
the
namin
Pao.
na, ano,
Thank you so much for doing this.
Dapat yung presentation namin by video bago kami
Sabi
ano,
na ni
happy
Kim,
birthday.
Kim mentioned
Tapos
everything
magsayo
I
na
also
ako.
wanted to say. But mga kwento ko lang, when this first was brought up, a world tour, of course, I was hesitant because I didn't know, I don't know how to entertain aside from, slightly singing. Pero what I keep remembering are the smiles and the joy that we give to you guys, especially when, like right now, I'm reminded of how how we can give happiness to people watching us. And that's one of the reasons why kahit hindi concert levels yung mga ginagawa namin, we try our best to make you guys happy. It's because of you. It's because you requested us to be here. We're here right now. So thank you to each and every one of you.
Kung pwede lang din ulit ako makasingit. You know, it's not just about the dancing. It's not just about the singing, which I know for a fact that they all appreciate very much. You know what you both did? You gave just your presence. Just by your presence,
Yes!
just by your presence, you gave them all the experience. And because of that, we're not gonna end this night. Bibigyan natin ng mensahe sa kanila. This is your moment to give your messages for each other.
Kim.
Pero, mag-thank you muna ako sa mga sumuport sa atin for 20 years. Grabe talaga. Pag sinasabi talaga, sinuportahan kita nung PBB pa lang. Sobrang thank you talaga sa inyong lahat. Like, super all eras until how long. Thank you. Yeah?
Dahil lang natin sa kanta.
Alright, let's go. Ayan, kung may flashlight kayo, you can turn all your flashlights on. Let's show some love if you maniwala kayo sa pag-ibig talaga namang itaas natin ang lights.
Kahit saan man hanap pa rin ang iyong lambing. At kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa'yo pa rin uuwi. Palagi
Lalalalalalala. Uuwi tayo with full hearts. Tama ba? With hearts full of love from everyone. Oh, I wanna cry. Oh, thank you so much. Wala na yan. Oh. Diba? Thank you for showing love, for showing all your support, for coming here, flying, papunta sa Toronto, drive, invite friends and loved ones just to watch us tonight. This means so much. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for coming over. Thank you for watching us. We appreciate you. And thank you for everything. You made us very happy, and I hope we brought joy into your lives. So Toronto, we prepared a little surprise for you. Sino ba nag-surprise?
Sabaw tsaka kanin.
That's right, memories we created tonight, all in one special video.
Yes!